friends, welcome to Code Generator. Myself Apurva. I hope you're all doing fine. In this video, I'm going to teach you about difference between high level language and low level language. So before going on to the difference, let me give the introduction about high level language. A high level language is more human friendly. They are mission independent, portable and better understand with the humans and the programmers. They are crafted by combining mathematical symbols and natural language symbols and characters. Based on more real-world scenarios, they are implemented primarily for the development of a program. Whereas, when we come to low-level language, a low-level language are machine-dependent as they decide how the hardware implements of the computer would interact. They resemble the native binary language of the computer and thus are difficult for the programmers to understand because they will be in the form of zeros and ones. These require extensive knowledge of the hardware components such as microcontroller, microprocessor of the computer and their configuration. Now let's move on to the difference. So, in high-level language, the programs are easy to modify, whereas in low-level language, it's difficult. It's in the programmer-friendly language. High-level language is also called as programmer-friendly language, and low-level language is machine-friendly language, which can be understood by the machines more than humans. High-level languages are easy to understand and learn, whereas low-level languages are challenging to understand and learn. High-level allow much more abstraction, whereas low-level allow little and there will be sometimes no abstraction only. Next, high-level are executed slower than the low-level languages because they require translated program, whereas low-level execute with high speed. The speed is more compared to high-level languages. In high-level languages, they do not provide many facilities at the hardware level, whereas they are very close to the hardware and help to write the program at the hardware level in the low-level language. A single statement may execute several instructions in high-level language, whereas the statements can be directly mapped to the processor instructions in the low-level language. In high-level language, for writing programs, hardware knowledge is not required, whereas low-level language programs require hardware knowledge is must and most. Next, in high-level language, they are simple to maintain, whereas in low-level language, they are complex to maintain comparatively with the high-level language. In high-level language, it can run on any platform, where in low-level language, it is machine-dependent only. High-level language needs compile or interpreter for translation, whereas low-level language needs assembler or translation. Next, the real-world examples for high-level language are Basic Perl, Pascal, C, Java, Ruby are the examples. For low-level language, machine language and assembly language are the low-level languages. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. I hope you like this. For more information, please do like and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, you can contact us through Instagram, Gmail, Facebook or anything. If you have any comments, please do comment and may we know of your queries through your comment section. Thank you so much.